A polariscope is primarily used to determine whether a gemstone is singly or doubly refractive. To use a polariscope, make sure your gemstone is transparent or translucent. First, with the light on, look down through the analyzer, the round polarizing glass on top of the polariscope. If you see light coming through, turn the analyzer until the light is reduced to its lowest level. Now, place the gemstone on the polarizer, the round polarizing glass on the bottom of the polariscope. For a faceted stone, place it table side down on the polarizer. For a cabochon, place it flat side down. Then, look through the analyzer. Now rotate the stone by turning it 360 degrees. If your gemstone is singly refractive, it will remain dark throughout a full rotation. This means your stone is singly refractive or isotropic. If your gemstone blinks from light to dark multiple times during a full rotation, it means it's doubly refractive or anisotropic. If your gem remains light throughout a full rotation, it means your stone is an aggregate, made up of many smaller crystals. This is most common with translucent stones such as chalcedony. Using a conoscope can also help with identifying your gemstone. Doubly refractive gems will show rainbow colors in two directions along one direction of crystal growth. When you hold the conoscope over these colors while the gem is oriented in this direction, you should see an optic figure. These figures can appear to be concentric circles with a cross, bullseye, spiral, bow tie, or even a divided figure-8 shape.